Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. So I'm doing a resin piece today. This is a commission for a 36-inch New Jersey. As you can see, I've already done the first step, which is I paint the board. This is a about a 1/2 inch thick plywood. So I paint the board first, just to make sure that it's covered, and if I miss some areas with the resin, I won't have wood showing, so I make sure I paint it. Then I put my mixture of all-purpose glue, white Elmer's glue, sand, and tan and white paint. So that's what holds everything on. So I added all my shells. This is a real oyster shell. I always try to add a few real elements. There's a couple shells here that I found on the beach. So I put glass and little shells that I buy, and I buy them on Amazon. So I'll link everything below. But this is the first step in the board, and now I'm going to be doing the resin part. First of all, I have my resin. So I probably mixed up a little too much resin, but I always like to mix extra. I'm actually using Stonecoat countertop resin today because it's what I have. I ordered my KS resin. It's not here yet. So I'm using the Stonecoat countertop, which I usually use for my tabletops and cutting boards. I like to use that resin for this. So I am using that today. I have to mix it up, but it's 1-to-1 ratio. Colors, she wants all ocean colors. So the colors I'm going to use today, I'm going to use some Paynes Gray Golden. I'm going to use a Prism Pour by colourarte, and this one's waterfalls. These are the new Prism Pours. If you're unfamiliar with them, go check them out. I do have a coupon code down below. I'll link that, and you can get 20% off your purchase. The other Prism Pour I'm using is Royal Sapphire. I'm going to use a little of that, I think. This might be too turquoise, but I'll see what happens with that. I do have some Interference Blue, and this is a Bling It color by colourarte. I might be using a little of that. And then for the waves, I always use my Casting Craft. This is how I get my waves. And the magic trick to that is adding a couple drops of white alcohol ink. And this is Pinata White Blanc. So that's pretty much it. I do drizzle resin, and you'll see as we go at the end, I drizzle the resin just over the shells just to reinforce them, but they're not going anywhere. They're glued down. But there might be some pieces that are a little loose, so I like to drizzle the resin over top, and just to give it a little extra hold there. Okay. All right, guys, here we go. I'm going to mix up my resin. I'm going to put them into little cups. You'll see as I go how I do that. Okay. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below, and please like and subscribe if you're new here. And yeah, have a great day, guys. And here we go.
Like an angel set me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Don't let me darken your front door. to open my eyes. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply. Some kind of reply. Don't need an answer, just some kind of reply.
things we cannot see. I would cross the sky forever. It's only just begun. I know you will agree. Things to make us all feel better. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Tell me when you've had enough. When all is said and done, you still feel the fascination. You can blame it on my love. I guess my heart is won. All the freedom you've been chasing. What I may have, what I may own, I give it all. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Will you show me the way? My heart is longing for answering. 'Cause I will wait night and day. You will see in time my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun, desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Like a desert in the sun. My heart ain't heavy, my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. You can walk and you can run. How I wish you knew my heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy. Heart ain't heavy, it ain't heavy.
Okay, so that is the first layer of resin. I will be doing a second coat of clear and then some white beach waves. But this is the base layer. I always do 2 coats because that's how you get the depth from the mica powders and the especially the wave depth. As you'll see, the next layer, the white will fan out just a little bit differently with the clear. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Well, it's not over yet because I have to do the second coat. All right, thanks guys. All right, I'm back, and as you can see, I'm mixing up my resin. Again, I probably have too much resin here for what I need to do, but I actually have another project that I can use the leftover resin on. So this is the same resin. It's Stonecoat countertop, and I'm just mixing. You want to mix it. It's a little cold in my art room today, so it's kind of going to take me a little bit longer, I think, to mix. Just the resin portion of the 2-part epoxy was feeling a little thick to me, so I'm going to give it a good mix, and keep wiping your stick off like that, and just keep mixing slowly so you don't get too many air bubbles. So this portion, I think I like the way the first layer came out. I did have a couple little, I saw a little hair in one little section, so I just sanded it lightly. and I'm going to do the second coat. So I'm going to be also using the white again, the Casting Craft with the alcohol ink, to create some more waves and give this piece some more depth. So anyway, just so you know, you saw in the beginning of this video a promo for a Halloween, spooky Halloween giveaway. So colourarte has been awesome, and they have agreed to let us give away 5 sets of the 6-piece prism pour in each of our videos. There's 5 of us doing the videos, and then one person is going to win an 18-piece prism pour set that's worth like over, I don't even know how much, but it's a lot of, it's expensive. So that is the big prize. But in order to win the big prize, or at least even enter to win the big prize, you need to watch all 5 videos, collect all 5 clues, and send the phrase that the 5 clues creates to Leslie at colourarte. And she picks the winner, probably with a random picker, just as I will do on my video. You'll have 5, I'll have 6 pieces to give away just on my video. So you have to comment, like, and subscribe on my video, and then watch the rest of the videos to get all the clues so you can win the 18-piece set. I think it's awesome. So, all right, guys. So I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. Really happy with the way this finally turned out. You'll see at the end how it turned out. And yeah, I'll deliver it to the customer next week. All right, guys. Have a great one, and hope you enjoyed this video. Bye-bye.
You are like gold dust over me, just like an angel setting me free. Where are you now? Do you feel safe? I don't need an answer, just need some space. Darken your front door. That is not what I came here for. Do you still carry all that weight? Don't need an answer, just need a debate. Don't stop before it's over. Weight is off your shoulder. Everything we fear will go away. You said it's a promise. I said that I doubt that. I'm your only reason to stay. Darkness has robbed me of my sight. Hold on to what I believe open